Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question invert binary tree. Okay, so let me explain with this example 4271369. So this question is very simple, so no tricky. So all we have to do is just swap left node and right node every time. So first of all, we start from root node, and then so first of all, check if current node is null or not. So in this case, it's not null, right? So in the case, it's time to swap like a left child and a right child. So in the end, the tree should be like a 4, 7, and the 7 has 6 and 9, and the right side is 2, and the node 2 has 1 and 3, something like that. And after that, we go to left side at first, and we find the 7, and then we do the same algorithm. So first of all, check if current node is null or not. And this node is not null. So in the case, it's time to swap left child and right child. So in the case, 4, 7, 2, and 9 and 6, right? And then this side is 1, 3. So now we are 7, right? And then we keep going on the left side. So now we are 9. And then first of all, check if current node is null or not. And current node is not null. In the case, it's time to swap the like a left child and right child. And in this case, left child is null and right child is null. So nothing happened. And then, so there's no node, but move left. And then in the end, there's no node, right? So in the case, we go back to like a parent node and go to right. And there's no node, right? And then move back. And we already check this node, right? And move back. And now 7. And so we have to go to right side, right? So that's why move right. And then we find 6. So 6 is not null, so that's why it's time to swap left child and right child. But yeah, same thing. There's no node, right? So in that case, we go back to parent node and then go to right side and then go back and then finish and then go back, go back. So now we finish left side, so that's why go to right side. And right side we have 2. And then first of all, check if current node is null or not. And the current node is not null, right? So that's why it's time to swap left child and the right child. So in end, 4, 7, 2, 9, 6, and 3, and 1, right? And then, so we move left, and then we have 3, and the current node is not null, so swap left child and the right child, but they are null, right? Nothing happened. And then move left, but the current node is null, so go back and go right, and the current node is null, so go back, and move right. And 1 is not null, so swap left child, right child, but they are null, nothing happened. Go to left, not so node is null, so move back and go to right side, and current node is null, and then move back, move back, move back, and then now we traverse all nodes, right? So that's why in this case we should return this tree. So let's check. So this is example 1. So 4729631. So looks good. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, if current node is null, in the case just return. If not the case, it's time to swap left child and right child. So we can do like this. So we prepare for like a temp variable, and then first of all, root.left. So we copy left node to temp variable so that we can update left node with right node, and then we update right node with temp. So now we swap left and right. So after that, so as I explained earlier, so first of all, we go left side. So call invert tree function again, self.invert tree. And then, so we go to left. So we pass the left child, so root.left. And then after that, we go right side, so self.invert tree. And then passing the right node, so root.right. And then after that, just return root node, current node. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And I didn't notice that there is a analyze functionality. So let's see. And time complexity of this solution should be order of n. Yeah, looks good. So that's because we traverse all nodes one by one. So n is a number of nodes in the tree. And space complexity is, I think, also order of n or order of h. Yeah, order of n. So that's because if the tree is like a skewed tree, so that should be O(n), right? Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Please support me with the actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.